Hey y'all, I forgot to do the test run with the Dyson, but I didn't forget to do it, I forgot to show it to you. But here is the Hoover, the second new to me vacuum today. I'm so excited to get these, and they're a hot mess. I'm still excited to have them. The Dyson's been a pain in my, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little test with this one, and I'll just do the test. And then the Dyson is having a bit of a bath, and there's other stuff I can post about that later. But let's just get into this one. So here's the Hoover. Oh, yep, there's already stuff stuck. And let's just see. Two-handed, forgive me. And I'm not real familiar with these, so how do I open this? Oh, I think I found it. There's quite a bit in here. Let's see what falls out on its own. Nope, that little piece fell out. Yeah, this thing's packed. Well, it all fell out. That's a dang lot. There's still some in here. Yikes. Wow. Wow. Well, just that in itself should help something. I mean, if suction was a problem, that might have been part of the reason. My goodness. Oh, goody. I accidentally closed it. There's more of those little balls. Oh, well, hi. There's the filter, or one of them. And now that's empty. That is a ton. Wow, I don't think I'm going to try to suck all that up. Let's figure out how that fell out and put it back together. Sorry, two-handed. It's never easy with two hands. Evidently it wasn't locked on there. But I'm trying to figure it out. There's a little notch right there, but it doesn't seem to be wanting to go in there. Let's try this. Okay, for the sake of it taking too long, I'm going to have to set y'all down for a minute. Come on, Hoover. Well, y'all don't want to just sit here and watch the cushion on my couch. This has to be more interesting. Oh, that went in there. That went in there. That clicked. It's not falling off now. I don't see any way to lock it, so I guess that's that. And that's in place. Let's just take some of these, whatever little balls they are, out of this mix. This is not part of my Dirty Girl mix. I just want to test the vacuum. I don't want to push it to its limits. So, I'll leave a couple of them just to see how well the vacuum's doing. This one, I have new parts coming for. Sure thought we'd have that one done a lot sooner. but it ended up needing new parts. Still really excited about it. That's the mommy vacuum. Alright, so let's test this guy out. Well, nothing in the canister itself, but you can see it got clogged up there. So this has issues, and it doesn't have anywhere near the suction a Hoover should have. Let's try one more thing. Not much falling out. Let's try the hose hand suction test. Holy crap. Holy crap. Let's stop. I'll keep losing suction trying to show you. Goodness sakes. I just made the vacuum. Yeah, that's got major suction. Major suction. That major suction in the hose tells me there's a clog in the filter somewhere, or in another piece of the hose somewhere in the vacuum. I can't wait to get this one fixed and show you guys. I'll be back very shortly with a more fun video. Thanks for watching.